is great, isn't it? Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, oh, oh. Oh my god, this is honestly just amazing. I should do this. I should give Patience the camera to be like, right, you now, my friend, need to be responsible.
Oh gosh,
So it's
so
getting
this
a little bit tender.
Is it?
That's
Okay.
fine. That one's just fine. That's fine. So I'd stick at that level.
Okay.
And that's all good. That is lovely. No pain. No pain. So yeah, can you see you're just sort of scooping it out?
Okay.
Does that make sense
Yeah.
now?
Yeah.
That's all you need to do. So little scoop, little scoop. Isn't it satisfying? Look
It
at that
is.
shit. Sorry, YouTube. But you clicked on this video. That's your business.
Okay.
And then you ultimately, you can't stop. Right? Then you go right round the cuticle and you're like, oh my god.
It's all of this.
It's, oh, look at that. Oh. Now you might find it easier to change your blade size if you want to. With the videoing.
And this is going same way, or I could go this way. Same way.
I would go the same way. I feel like it would just be easier. So now what you're doing with that one is you're just removing all the skin that's now present on the surface there.
Like such.
Like that.
Why does it feel like this way?
No, do it if you want to. That's fine.
It just feels like I'm gonna get it, but I might leave something behind. Come on. Like that piece there.
Now, if you want to use the 15 as well to help.
That's what it is, to clean that. Sorry about my messy tray.
It's all right. No one's seeing your messy tray.
You're seeing my messy
Well,
tray.
don't forget in Mulber you can actually open up the packs entirely. So
I think that's why I got a bit.
it's remembering what you can do where.
Yeah. Oh, I did
Better, isn't it? Yeah, that's better.
And how's that?
Perfect.
Why is that? Okay.
Fine. Now, I would probably use your water drill to just tidy it up. So you can see it's quite bitty.
It's gonna go off again, or it's already cleaned this out?
Just turn it and have it facing that direction. Oh. And all that does, it just neatens up your area of work. And you're going very gently, which is fine, but you can go backwards and forwards to really sort
like
of...
such?
Yeah, just to really... I call it colouring in. You're colouring it in to get all that. Don't worry about that. Does not hurt at all.
Okay.
There is no pain. That's lovely. And then you can also use the water drill at an angle, if you the other way, to sort of almost like you're peeling. Like you're going to want to peel the skin off. Do you know what I mean? Hey, Bunky.
That way?
Yeah. And depending on the direction of the skin, you can what's it call it? Oh, there goes Miss Punky.
Like this?
Yep. There you go. And you see it just peels it all off.
And the inside here.
Yep. Go for it. But now you're left with a very nice, can you see, sulcus.
Yeah. Just that piece right
It's
there.
annoying, isn't it?
Yes.
Now, if you feel like, "Do you know, I can't get this," then you can bring out your nail clippers and clip it back.
Okay.
And I would probably do the other side as well,
Mm.
just to see if anything comes out. And you can do your backwards and forwards motion. And you'd be amazed how much shit is down the side of someone's nail.
But see, this is what I should have used on that lady earlier.
Possibly.
Cause she had like a hard skin build up right there.
Mm.
I got it out as much as I could, but she said, "Oh, it's not hurting me," and I said, "Okay, fine, I'll stop." But
Well,
I put
now you know.
pressure on it,
Mm-hmm.
but now I know how to use it.
Now I like this drill, this burr that you've got, because you can see it's thin, but it's not too thin that it itself becomes painful. Now there are some which are really thin because you really need a thin one. But that one's got a fairly thick, fairly rounded head or tip. So it's really quite soft and gentle against the skin when you're filing.
Oh.
And you see what happens now? You just get, then you have to go across the rest, because then you lift all the rest up and you're like, look at the rest. You've got to get it out. Then you get all of that and you're like, oh my god, look at all of that. And then you look at the other toes, you're like, shit, the other ones have got it as well. And then you're like, oh, what am I going to do now? Let's see my other toes. How are they? The little one, I would say, if you don't mind, maybe just going over the little, look at that nasty little toe. You see all that coming up? Oh my god.
And that's just build up.
That is just build up of skin. I was thinking, imagine if I was to die and my feet were terrible, and then the Undertaker has to clean them up.
Do they
They're
really
much-
clean people's feet? They clean the entire body?
I think they do. I think they have to wash the whole body. Yeah. So
I
there
could
you
be
are.
Undertaker.
Yeah, I know.
I think.
Yeah, look at that one. Now that
Okay.
you've got into it,
Okay.
get into it.
Okay. Let's just keep going. Okay, I kind of like this drill now.
It's not bad, is it? But even the other one will do the same thing. It just won't produce as much moisture.
Okay.
So the benefit of this drill is it produces the moisture, so you don't need the hydrogen peroxide as much. But if you think, oh, I don't have time to be swapping around drills, I'm faffing around with this, that, no, the dry drill can work just as well.
Okay.
If you think, oh, I need to really do this quickly, I'll just hydrogen peroxide it and then I'll use the dry drill.
Okay.
So yeah, it's quite a nice drill.
Can I do this one?
Go for
that's
it.
a
Yeah.
bit too painful.
No, go for it. It'll be fine.
Okay.
Hello, Punky Lunky. There's Mr. Punky Lunky trying to get involved. Hello, darling girl. Hello, darling. What's going on? Look how my leg is. Oh, hell. I keep zooming out and then you get a capture of my foot, and I have to remember this will end up on YouTube. Look, coronavirus, ain't nobody got waxing and beauty people open. That's my business.
Don't get my hair in this, Hannah.
No, your hair is definitely not in it. Don't worry, this is a zoom. I'll send you the video, you'll see. A zoomed in photo. Did you send me that video of that patient that one time?
Yeah.
I think you did, didn't you?
Yeah. That was a good one. It was like a volcano
I'll have to find
eruption.
it. Was it a...
Text message.
Oh, it was not on WhatsApp.
No, text message.
Right, so what you can do is change your angle and go in a more pointed way to get down the sulcus of that one. If you want to. If you think this shit ain't moving,
Yeah.
then do that. So
Okay.
now you see, you change your angle, something else happens. It comes out and you can really focus where you're drilling, and it does not hurt at all. Punky, Mr. Funky, Mr. Funky, this is not about you. This ain't. We can do your nails if you want to, because that's your business. Mr. Funky, come here, darling girl. Come here, come here, come here. Come here, darling. Let me take you.
Yeah.
Funky. Funky, come here. Funky. 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 Miss Funky. Miss Funky.
Yes, pumpkin. Yes, I can't look.
Let me. So the distal area is a little bit tender. That's fine. Where you are is fine.
Okay.
It's just if you change the angle and you lay it more flat,
Yeah.
that might get a bit uncomfortable.
Okay.
I'm just letting you know. Funky, chunky, yunky. Yeah, we're gonna go in a minute, darling. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that too. Isn't it addictive?
It is. It really is.
I know, that's the problem. It gets really, really like, oh.
When you get to learn how to use them, you're just like, oh, this is simple.
Yep.
It looks difficult, you know.
Does it?
Yeah.
No, it's not difficult.
What am I gonna eat for dinner? Egg.
Oh
I
my
guess. I'm gonna make a fried
Hey
egg.
Duke. Hey Duke. Hello little man. Hello little man. Hello mate. Oh.
Okay. Oh, one more on this one.
Oh, sorry people watching this. You're
Okay.
fine. You're fine. I'm trying to zoom in. I might have to do this more regularly now. I'm just looking at the gunk that's coming off and I'm like, ugh. But you know, it's actually easier from your side. Yeah, I have seen dactyly. Because when I try and do it myself, I'm always getting a pointed angle, so I don't get a very nice, clean finish.
Okay,
Whereas
yeah.
I'm watching you and I'm thinking, yeah, you're getting a very nice finish there.
Last one. Okay.
No, it's fine.
Is he protesting?
Is it? And Miss Funky's currently snoring.
Oh, it's just sleep.
She's asleep. They love to be around people. Isn't it Chunky Punky Lunky Lunky Punky?
Guys, I want to be just like you and fall asleep.
I know. Now, if you want to, if it's easier for you, you can use the Clinell wipe to clean up, because using the gauze, the gauze and everything, it just takes ages. So you can just use that.
What happened to her face?
Yeah, it's a bit of. I don't know if she needs to go to the vet actually, because it is not getting better.
Is it from when they fought?
When they had a fight, somebody fought somebody lost that. But obviously she's rolling around in mud and shit, so I need to keep an eye on it. Oh, they look fabulous.
Do they?
Yeah, they look good from here. They look very nice. They look very neat.
Okay.
Yeah. I know there's polish on it, but it is a nude colour, so... And that's my business. As Tabitha Brown says. I can do it if I want to, because it's my business. What you can also do, which helps sometimes, is get the
Black file.
yeah, and wrap it around the, and then you just, if you're thinking, oh, I want the moisture and I want something sharp and I want this and that, then just create it.
Just like how I cleaned mine. Yeah, sure. I need a thin again. Watch your body's doing alright.
No? Oh, okay, fine, sorry.
I think I just, I don't know.
You want to get into it.
Yeah. I think it may work. That technique for me may work better with gauze
Okay.
because it's thinner.
Thinner, yeah.
than the Clinell. She's really snowing.
She is gone.
What
to
in the
Puppy
world?
Land.
It's only been like 2 minutes.
I know. Does
How?
not matter to a puppy dog.
to you?
I think so. I mean, I'm zoomed out now, so I can't see. But from this angle here, it looks fabulous.
Well, when you get your shower, you'll be able to get.
Oh, yeah, exactly. And I've got my leg and everything. Look at there. Woo, 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 woo.
And they're straight?
I think so. Yeah, they look good. I'm going to stop the video now. Enjoy.